Hello guys, so in this video we will take a deeper look into the attribute table, or the option to show the attribute data for any layer. So for any layer here that have attributes, you have the ability to open the attribute table by clicking on this icon right here. So here we have the auto theft data in San Francisco. So let's open the table here, and as you see here at the bottom, it shows you the name of the layer on the top, and it shows you how many features inside this layer. So we have 17,500 features and how many are selected. So if I select one item, you will see that now it shows one selected, and you can select multiple by hold the control button on your keyboard and you select another one or a fourth one, and you will be able to select multiple. The other thing I want to show you here, that when you select one item or one record on the table, it's highlighted and selected on the map, and when you select here, it will show up right here as well. And the opposite is as well, when you select any point on the map, it will highlight here on the table. And here you can view all the fields for this layer, and to make sure that all the fields are visible, you need to go here for this icon right here, and you click on it and say show hide columns, and here it will give you the option to show or hide some columns. Just to make sure, if this is the first time you open the attribute table for any layer, go to the show hide columns, so you make sure that you are actually viewing all the data for this feature, and that will show you all the fields for it. But of course you can customize it and show or hide any fields you want. And here we have the option to show selected records or show all records. So for example, if I have one selected here and I want to show only this records, let's select one item. So that's one feature right here. I can come here and say show selected records, and that will show me only the record for the selected point. Or I can come here back again and say show all records. The second option we have here is center on selection, and this is a good one to use specifically with a layer like this one. It have a lot of features on it, so I want to make sure that when I select a feature from here, I can see it on the map. So always make sure that you enable center on selection. And now you will see that if I'm out of extent and I'm selecting a feature right here and I want to see this feature on the map, I can just come here and say center on selection, and it will center the selected feature for me on the map. The next option here is clear selection. If you have a lot of selection, you can clear selections here. Here, show and hide columns. And the last option here, we have the filter, so you can filter your data based on a certain query. So for example, here I can say I want to only see the records that happened on the day of the week of Sunday. I want to only see day of the week that is equal to, here I can say unique, and I will choose Sunday. And now when I say apply filter, it will only show me the records and the features or the incidents that happened on Sunday, and you see here the number changed and I have more filter. So you can filter your data however you want from this option right here to show certain data on the map or to show it on the attribute table. And here on the right side you see this small plus sign. It gives you an easy access to show hide columns, so you can hide or show any columns from here with a quick access. But it's exactly the same way as show hide columns from here. But it's exactly the same thing as show or hide columns from here. The last thing I want to show you, when you are on this layer, that you have the option to reorder the layers based on a certain field. So when you click on a field header, you will see that you have the option to do sort ascending or descending, and you have the option to change the sort or the order of any field to see the data however you want. So that's it for all the options you have in your attribute table, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and in the next video we will see what can we change using the symbology option. Thank you.